we've got this lovely home in Stafford with this annex property over this area here. It's like a terrace patio area, and the sun does hit this quite a lot, to the point that it gets unbearable to sit on it. So what the customers wanted was an awning. So this patio awning, this Markilux patio awning, we've positioned up here, and because it's a single-storey building, we've had to use these specially designed brackets that fit down here, take all the load carrying capacity of the awning down here, and then step out in front of the eaves, then come to the top of the building to give us enough of an angle so that if the awning's out and there's a shower, then the water can run off through over the angled cover. So we're halfway through the installation right now, but I just wanted to show you these brackets because we do quite a lot of awnings with these brackets, particularly on bungalows and single-storey buildings. Just because it's a bungalow doesn't mean to say you can't have an awning. We just put a bracket like this on it. All of the brackets are fixed back to the wall here. We chemically fix the bracket into the wall with chemical resin. So we don't use raw bolts, we don't use anchors, we don't use anything that's going to put pressure on the surrounding brickwork and potentially crack the bricks. We just put a stainless steel rod into chemical resin. That sets in about, on a day like this, it's set in about 20 minutes. Then this bracket is pretty much welded to that wall. Safe as house, it's not going anywhere. There you go, that's how we do our awnings.